What up, guys? It's me, Cool Pichu 264, and I'm gonna be reacting to Jeffy has hiccups. So I don't know about this. I feel like just looking at the thumbnail, I feel like Jeffy ate an apple and he's choking on it, cause Jeffy's kind of a dum. So let's just watch it in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy!
Hey, nigga.
Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away.
Yeah, but then how is he gonna breathe?
Keep holding your breath.
Oh, he can still breathe.
Just keep holding your breath. Okay, you breathe. Jeffy, breathe.
Good job, Mario. Bad parent.
Eli's Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR.
Ew.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy. Thanks, Daddy. Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't
Call
stop
the doctor.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
Wait, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
Are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to
Stop
take a look at Jeffy
slapping
and see how
Mario.
bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah.
Okay.
Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So
Then why did you do that in the first place?
Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do
Throw a
now is
banana. A banana will work.
I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically bro. All right, that's not working. Come on, fall. Bo! Back up now!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Really?
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Bo! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
It's that mask
All right,
from
okay,
the...
stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon,
Really?
All right,
How did that not
stage
scare him? That should have scared him.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
He's not gonna scare him.
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I get laid off to work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not helping. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo!
Not scary.
Did that work?
Unless if he
On to
was
stage
actually
4.
mad.
All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Get ahead!
Dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
What happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let's go get my gun.
Oh,
Boom!
Stop using your mask. It's not working.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready? Yeah.
He's gonna miss him.
Yeah, he's ready.
He's gonna miss every shoot
2,
Jeffy.
1.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Well, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Damn.
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay. On to stage 5.
Really?
Oh,
Why can't you just
Stage 5, we got a bomb here!
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die!
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one!
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh,
What?
okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. But I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy!
Oh, yeah, oh, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
really?
Why did the
I
bomb go
guess-
off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.
Oh.
All right, so for stage 6.
God damn it! Oh yeah, that would make me
What?
scared.
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
What, the Twister, Matt?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
I
But
think
his
he's.
hiccups gone.
Oh, he's so loud.
What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. All right, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable
What
hiccups?
does that mean?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom! All right. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Really?
I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah, finally.
Jeffy, you have
So
hiccups?
annoying.
Oh, think so. What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh, no. No, please don't tell me.
All right, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
How would you scare someone if you had to? When they're sleeping, I will get an air horn and then blast the air horn in their ear, and that will scare them. So that was Jeffy has hiccups. That wasn't really that funny. Wait, that was not that long. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's short. I thought it was the movie. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a like to my channel too. And also check out Marco's channel. It's in the subscription below. And otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you all guys later. Bye.